Hello guys, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing 8585.bio. And as you can see right off the bat that this website is a scam. But before we get into the details, um, you may know that while you're waiting for the next video, that scammers are still targeting you right now as we speak. And that's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. Link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right off the bat here that an admin has gifted you $100 Roblox gift card, which is too good to be true since why would they gift me just by entering the site? So if you actually, I'm not gonna click on this, since if you click on this may take you to another shady website, obviously, and this is a scam, and this scam is geared towards children. So as you can see, the 8585 Bio Robux scam is what you need to know. As you can see here in malware tips, they go over the how the scam works and how to avoid it entirely. So as you can see, advertising free Robux, just like this one, prompting users to input their username, which is where the scam begins. Taking users through the verification, never receiving the promised Robux, unsurprisingly. So if this is pretty obvious to you, this is a pretty obvious scam to you, but it's not as it's geared toward global children who don't know any better. So please advise caution, especially if you have kids. They might get hacked, or their phone might get hacked, or if they're using your phone might get hacked. So please exercise caution and regularly check up on them to see if they're not opening up sites like this. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.